Hey class, I'm going to be recording from my computer for a lot of this chapter right here so that we can see how, come on, no, come on in. No, it's all right. It's just like regular school. So we can see how these relationships work. The stuff that I want to do on the computer here, I can't do very well from the smartboard. So it's great seeing you, but I'm going to say goodbye to my face here so you don't get distracted. I've got several tabs here, 4 different triangles, and the name of this chapter is relationships within triangles and not necessarily inside, but relationships with triangles that you have. And the neat thing that we have with this one, you see that there are 3 lines that I've drawn on this tab. There's also another 3 here, another 3 here, another 3 here, and they all just happen to intersect in different ways. And I'm going to focus on this first tab right here first. Look at this point E, and as I drag this point around, does it look like E is always in the middle? It seems to be the midpoint of that side, right? And further, does it look like this line right here is perpendicular? And it is, and that means that we call this right here a perpendicular bisector. And I've got 3 perpendicular bisectors on this triangle all drawn in, and you can see that this point right here moves around quite a bit. I can make it stay inside. I could also make that point outside the triangle if the triangle is obtuse. Now, what might the purpose of this be? And as an English teacher in the classroom, I'm sure that she's probably wondering what in the world is the point of any of this math that we have, right? But I'm glad that you and she are both curious enough to go through. If I make a circle centered here and move on out, it looks like when I get to this right here, it actually intersects all 3 vertices of my triangle. Now, if I move this around, you can see that no matter how I move this triangle, this circle is always completely containing this triangle. We would say in math that this triangle has been, this circle is circumscribed, not circumcised, circumscribed around this triangle. And this right here, this point here, is called the circumcenter of the triangle, which is kind of a cool thing. In other words, we have made it possible to enclose the triangle completely. And that is done by circumscribing a circle around the triangle using the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors. So pretty cool stuff. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll find out what else we can do.